In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze and improve your resume using ChatGPT, Ultimate Guide for Virtual Assistants. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get a precise review, upgrade your skills and experience sections, make your resume ATS-friendly, and tailor it for specific virtual assistant roles. First, let's upload and analyze your resume. Open a new chat and paste your resume text directly into ChatGPT. If you're concerned about privacy, you can remove contact details or any sensitive information before sharing. Ask for a detailed review that calls out weak sections, missing skills, and any formatting issues. You'll also want feedback on grammar, clarity, and overall professionalism, plus how well your resume aligns with typical virtual assistant responsibilities. A great starting message is, analyze my resume for a virtual assistant position and identify areas for improvement. Read the response carefully and note concrete suggestions you can act on. Next, optimize your skills and experience. Ask ChatGPT to highlight the most relevant virtual assistant skills and achievements so they stand out. Strengthen your work experience by emphasizing measurable results. Think response time reduced, tickets resolved, calendars managed, or tools mastered. Incorporate keywords from real VA job postings and ensure your professional summary and core competencies reflect your strongest, most marketable traits. Try. Rewrite my work experience to emphasize customer support, scheduling, and administrative skills. Aim for concise, impact-driven statements that show outcomes, not just duties. Now make your resume ATS-friendly. Applicant tracking systems scan for keywords and clear structure, so use industry terms related to virtual assistant work and keep your formatting simple. Standard fonts, consistent headings, and clean sections improve readability for both software and recruiters. Avoid text boxes or images that can confuse parsing. If you're targeting a niche like e-commerce, real estate, or executive assistants, ask for tailored language and examples for that field. Use. Optimize my resume for ATS screening for a virtual assistant job. This ensures you're speaking the same language as the job description. Finally, refine and customize for each application. Create versions that directly match the role's requirements. Upgrade achievement statements with stronger action verbs, tighten your summary so it mirrors the posting, and keep iterating based on the feedback you receive. A focused prompt could be, rewrite my resume to target an executive virtual assistant role with a focus on organization and communication skills. Review the final draft aloud to catch clarity issues and keep updating as you learn what employers respond to most.